Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to make your Wix website even more dynamic and engaging, today's video is exactly what you need. I'm going to show you how to seamlessly add a live Twitter feed to your Wix site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a feed that automatically updates with your latest tweets, making your site feel fresh and interactive for visitors. So let's dive right in. First, head over to your Wix web design dashboard. Whether you're starting a new site or updating an existing one, this is where all the magic happens. Imagine it as your drawing board. Anything you add here is what your website visitors will see. If you've never used Wix before, don't worry. Their interface is designed to be intuitive, so you'll get the hang of it quickly. Take a moment to find the specific page or section where you want your Twitter feed to appear. Now, locate the Add Elements button. It's usually hanging out on the left-hand sidebar of the Wix editor, sort of like a toolbox filled with building blocks for your site. Click on that and you'll see a list of different things you can add: text, images, buttons, and so forth. But what you're looking for is a way to embed custom code, which gives you much more control and flexibility. Within that menu, search for something called Embed Code, and then select HTML. This is basically telling Wix, hey, I've got some custom stuff I'd like to insert. Adding HTML is like sneaking in a little doorway between your site and other platforms. It lets you pull content from places like Twitter, so visitors see more than just what you manually post. Next, we need something from Twitter itself. Open a new browser tab and go to www.publish.twitter.com. This is a handy, official tool from Twitter that generates embeddable codes for feeds, tweets, and more. But before you do anything fancy, make sure you're logged into your Twitter account. If not, go ahead and sign in. It'll only take a second. Logging in ensures you have access to your profile and the correct feed. Now, navigate to your own Twitter page and copy the URL from your browser's address bar. Think of this URL as the address to your personal Twitter house. It's what tells the tool which feed to fetch. Head back to www.publishtwitter.com and you'll see a box prompting you to paste that URL. Pop it in, and within seconds, the site will generate different embedding options. You'll want to select Embedded Timeline. This option will create a live stream of your tweets, allowing anyone visiting your website to see your latest updates, links, and conversations, almost like handing them a little social newspaper. Once you click Embedded Timeline, you'll notice Twitter generates some code for you. Click Copy Code. Don't worry if this looks a bit technical. What matters is that you're about to paste it straight into Wix, and Wix knows just what to do with it. Head back over to your Wix editor and find the HTML element you set up earlier. Paste the code you copied directly into the designated box. Take a breath and review your work. If it all looks good, click Update. That's the finishing touch. It might take a moment for the feed to appear, but once it's done, visitors to your site will see your live Twitter updates as part of your page. And there you go. You've just connected your Wix site to your Twitter feed. This not only keeps your website fresh, but also encourages visitors to follow you and stay engaged. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any issues. I check back often and love hearing from you all. And don't forget to subscribe for more web design tips and tutorials. Your next breakthrough might be just one video away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.